Hello everyone, my name is Niall and I'm a teacher at Squeak School. Today we're going to do some cooking. You excited to do some cooking? Yes you are. We're going to make some bubble and squeak. Ooh, we're going to cook some bubble and squeak for lunch. So, it's really important that we wash our hands. So we're going to wash our hands. Okay, so get some soap. Wash, wash, wash. Oh, nice, lots and lots of suds. So rub your hands together and get the back of your hands like so, in between your fingers. And properly wash our hands. And then wash your thumbs. Okay, so lovely, clean hands. Off the top. And make sure your hands are dry. Before we start, we need 6 items. So let's see if you can find these in your house. Can you find a chopping board? Pause this video and look for a chopping board. Can you find a peeler? See if you can find a peeler. You'll also need a knife. And a potato masher. Now, 2 other things you need are a frying pan and a saucepan. Oh, very deep. Okay, so a frying pan and a saucepan. Okay. Now, we have 3 main ingredients for this recipe. We need some cabbage. You can see some cabbage in there. We need some potato. We also need an onion. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to chop our cabbage. Okay, you have to be very careful. And at home, you may need some help with this. But chop it up nice and small. Okay, you get another bit and we can start doing the same thing. Lovely, you try. Okay. Now it's your turn. The next part is we are going to peel the potatoes. We need the potato and we need the peeler. Okay, you hold it in one hand and you peel with another one. Look at that. Try it again. You try it. Peel the entire potato. Now, fully peeled potato, and our next step is we're going to chop the potato. So I'm going to lower the camera down. And we are going to chop our potato. Nice and small. Okay, your turn, you give it a try. Our next step is peeling an onion. So peeling an onion. And then we're going to go and we're going to chop our onion as well. So to peel an onion, what I do is this. Okay, chop a bit off the bottom, bring it around, and And then you take off that outer skin. And now we're going to chop the onion as well. So I'm going to chop it nice and small. Okay. Like so. Be very careful doing this. So it's very, very small. Okay. Okay, so now what we should have is some chopped potato, chopped cabbage, chopped onion, and we're going to bring in some oil for frying, and you can also use some black pepper for a little bit of flavor. Okay, but this should have a lot of flavor anyway already. So let's put it together to make some bubble and squeak. Hello again. So now we're at our hob. We're going to use this to make our bubble and squeak. Okay, so now you have your saucepan and you've got water in your saucepan. Look at that, lovely. And at home, you're going to ask for some help. Okay, you're going to ask for some help to do this because we're going to turn on the hob here using this. Okay. So you see there's a flame coming out, and we're going to boil that water for our potatoes. So we have our cabbage and our potatoes, and we're going to put those in the saucepan. Okay. Now, lovely. We still have our onions left though. So now we get our saucepan. And I've put some oil inside. So I've got some oil and I've just put a little bit inside, okay? And put that on the hob as well. Here we are. So we'll come back to these. Again, remember to ask for help if you're doing this at home. And we are going to turn that one on. Check that it's on. Lovely. And what we're going to do with the saucepan is we are going to fry our onions. Pepper in. Lovely. Listen. So now I've drained my cabbage and potatoes, and I'm going to put those into a little pot. Is it all gone? A little bit more. So you can see my cabbage and potatoes in there. And my onions are nice and soft. So I'm going to put these onions in here also, like so. Okay, so I have a few left. I'll get those in a moment. So now we need our masher, and we are going to mash our ingredients all together. Okay, so I'll get the cameras. So look from the counter, I'm going to mash it up. Put loads of pressure in. Ooh, lovely. Look at that, getting it all mashed up together. Make sure it's getting all nice and mixed up like so. mixed up together. So that's your onions, your potatoes, and your cabbage. Okay, so we're going to try and make these little patty kind of items. And what you need to do is take some potato, put it in your hand, and then you squeeze it together like that to make your bubble and squeak cake. Okay, so we'll make our cakes like so. I've got enough for one more. A little baby one, a little small one. So now we are frying our bubble and squeak. So we take each one, place it in the pan. Ooh, lovely. Then we turn them over. So we fry them until they're a little bit brown on the outsides. Okay, you can hear that sizzle. Then I'm going to put them on the plate over here. I'm going to eat them. Yum! And there you have your bubble and squeak cakes. Shall we give it a try? Shall I? Let's see what it tastes like. Let me get a little bit. Let's see. Delicious. Yes, lovely. I hope you have fun making your bubble and squeak cakes.